Menstrual cramps are throbbing or cramping pain in your lower belly or the lower abdomen. Usually, women have them before the menstrual cycle or during their periods. But some women have really merely an annoying pain during that time. So today I'm going to tell you a wonderful and magical acupressure point by which you can press and squeeze that particular location of the point and you can get rid of that pain. And if you are doing that before a week of your cycle and start pressing that point, then you will definitely cure it. Or if you forgot it, you can do it during the cycle also, and you will be released and relaxed by that cramps and painful periods. So let's start and begin the video. So first I'll tell you how we'll locate this point, and second, how to activate and stimulate that point, and the third, how we can apply magnet or seed on that point for the recovery and better results. So let's start it. So the first thing is to locate the point. See, in acupressure, we'll find these points in our hand, in both of our hands. So these two fingers will denote like a legs. These are our legs, denoting in acupressure like this. So here, right here, just here is the uterus location of the women. So let me mark it by the pen, because like these are the two finger are like legs of the body. So here we have a uterus location. So let me mark it with the black marker just like this. So now you can see that these are legs and this is the uterus location. So we need to squeeze this point. You can use any probe like this. If you don't have, I'll link it on the description of the video, or you can use any pen, pencil, back of the pen to pressure it. But you should learn how to pressure it. We need to give a pumping pressure. We just need to pressure it. Like here you can see, we need to pressure it right here. Just hold the pressure. You will feel little and moderate pain right here, but that is good. That's just a local pain, and that means your therapy is working. So you need to press it, hold and release. Again, press it, hold and release. At least 10 to 20 seconds you can give pressure on this particular point like this. Just pressure it, hold and release. Pressure, hold and release. And if you want, if you're not comfortable with any bra, we can use your thumb also like this. Just squeeze it, hold it and release. Squeeze it, hold it and release. Again, squeeze it, hold it and release like this. And this point is available in both the hand. You can locate in both the hands. Again, these are both of your legs. So right here is your reproductive system or uterus is right here. So we need to give a pressure right here like this, just like we have done in this hand. So we need to give a pressure right here. Press it, hold and release. You need to give a good pressure. You feel a little pain, that is fine, it will go away. Just a local pain, but it's really helpful on your menstrual cramp and pain and botherable periods. So just give a pressure like this. So now it's the time, we already activated these things. Now it's the time to put a seed or magnet. So I have this kind of magnet. You can apply it just right here where we mark the point. If you don't have it, it's really have a very good result. So we'll give a link in the description section. If you want, you can buy it online. So I'm just applying these magnets right here like this, and after applying, just give a pressure like this, and you can leave this magnet for 4 to 6 hours in the daytime. And if you want it in the night time, you can leave it whole night, and in the morning you can remove it. And daytime, if you are using this magnet therapy, then you just need to in an hour and so you can keep press it so that it will get stimulated and activate. But nighttime, during you are sleeping, so there is no need to pressing, it will doing its work. So that is the way you can use the magnet. Suppose you won't have a magnet and you wanted to apply the seed therapy, any seed you can use, any black pepper, any lentil seed, anything. So I'm using this green gram lentil. So let me grab some paper tape. This is the paper tape, surgical tape, you can say that. So I am just taking some of the tape out. Yeah, like this. Just, yeah, let me grab it. Yeah, similarly I take some of the tape like this. I apply one seed in the middle of this like this. You can see that I applied one green gram seed right here, whole green gram. And now I'm going to apply right here where the point is. You can mark it because I have experience, so I know where it is. And just fold the tape and apply it. Now this seed is applied. You can see that right here. Now you can give a pressure, and you can start, as I already told, before your period. I mean, suppose 5th January or the 5th February is your date. You can start like by the 1st, or suppose if you forgot, you can doing during the period also when you feel the pain. This thing, I guarantee you, will give you quick relief. And if you are keep doing and practicing these points, it will help you and cure your cramping problem during the periods. Hope you like the video. If you like, please like and press the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any question, do comment. We'll definitely reply. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Take care, guys.